Alright, okay, राज जी ने अपनी जिंदगी सोलह इंडस्ट्री लग रहा है एक करोड़ के अमाउंट के लिए बिल किया कर लेंगे मतलब हो जाएगा जो हमारी आप के 15 करोड़ इसका ये पॉजिटिव दिखता है नेगेटिव ये दिखता है कि दे अदर कंटेस्टेंट्स आर कॉम्पिटिंग वो उनकी आपके ऊपर वो लोग भी अड़े हुए कि यार हम तो यही लेके जाएंगे नो वे आर इन ट्रबल अभी फ्यूचर थोड़ा अनक्लियर लग रहा है जो पहले एक एक्साइटमेंट थी अब वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेसफुल होने लगा है Okay, up next we have the company Doppler. Welcome to the future of fashion with technology enables every brand to make better decisions with 3D dressing room technology. जहाँ पे लोगों को आराम से अपने ऊपर कपड़े दिखेंगे, उनके बॉडी पे कैसे गिरेंगे, कैसा लगेगा, कैसी फील आएगी, and then they can make better purchase decisions. हम एक what is our ask is for both the ask in return of CCP? So basically, it's a plugin on web stores that can enable a brand customer to create their own avatar and show how close to them. So it's an extension to the current infrastructure that a brand has. According to me, the 60-second pitch was a big failure. Few of you haven't been able to pitch a 60-second pitch here. I'm sorry, I can't take you forward. To me, technology sounded very exciting. I got completely lost. We have to simplify. Right. Simplify. अभी भी CTO की pitch दे रहे हैं instead of a CEO pitch. Alright. क्रिकेट के हिसाब से क्रिकेट पिच पे हमने अपने बेसिक्स को हटा के we tried scoop shots into cricket. तो इसमें कुछ यूनिक चीज था. No, it's a solid product. It's a massive. It's a competitive space. Up next, we have Banana Lab. हमने बात बनकर के इंडिया के बारे में सोचते तो हमारे दिमाग में फर्स्ट क्या आता है? Snake jumpers, elephants, rangoli, colors, lot of colors, and cool patti booty. I actually did all of it. I think when I think of India, I think of modernity. Yes, but you're right. But then, as Indians, we have to be rooted with our roots. Actually, that's a great idea, which is why we're building a brand which is modern yet rooted, and it is rooted, but it is amazing. He makes women's and menswear using hand block printing. It's a generational brand. Our blocks have been accumulated for decades. We have blocks from Mughal era. So, like here, Banana Lab, introducing Banana Lab. Banana Lab is actually, which means to make, and what is your ask? We ask for 2 crores for 20%.
understand the product on a more granular level. So, thankfully, show me हमारे पास अभी time है. I would love to hear you again. Sure. Yes, Dhruv, मेरा product as a proper design and fashion designer product, it's really probably the only one of this aesthetic. जब मैं वो चीज समझा, खुद ही मैंने अपने आप को जोड़ा. That people will give you feedback from their perspective. तो पूरी पिक्चर से मुझे पता है, मेरा मार्केट मुझे पता है, 4 साल से मैं कहाँ सेल कर रहा हूँ मुझे पता है. तो 2 दिन में आके हम ऐसे हिल नहीं सकते कि काफी फीडबैक मिलेगी ना.
Next up is Love Kiki. Hello everyone, I'm Kiki Talwar, the founder of Love Kiki. We make tasteful premium outfits at an affordable price. We are a very ethical brand. We believe in less wastage, fair wages, and second life products and packaging.
What is your ask, darling? Because your time is running out.
My ask is 80 lakhs for 20% equity.
क्योंकि काफी कुछ young designers आए, मुझे आपके काम में कुछ यूनिक से फील लगा, मगर मुझे आपके काम में वो दिख रहा है. तो मुझे आपका ब्रांड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. There is some weakness to it, but it's not boring. What was your turnover last year?
2023 to 2024 turnover is 30 lakhs.
आपकी ask आपकी comfort से double है from last year, right? For that reason, I would say I want to learn a lot more, and after a challenge था to get to that 60-second pitch. Just based on that thesis, I would like to learn more. I'm very proudly wearing your second life. I think you also need a second page. I think when current area people are so intimidated, right? They're looking like this. You know what I mean? I'm intimidated. I'm Malaka. They're looking glorious, beauty and grace. I'll give you the grace. I'm the hero. That's my place. I love it.
All right, can we have Vardi, please?
वर्दी सिपाही की इज्जत होती है. वर्दी की एक लाइफ होती है. वो खत्म होने के बाद क्या कहते हैं, आप उसको गार्बेज डंप में डालो, वो उसका अपमान है. वर्दी का कभी अपमान नहीं. उससे अच्छा है कि अगर हम उसको रिसाइकिल करें और थोड़ा गुड क्वालिटी किया तो बहुत अच्छा है. शायद से this particular cloth was worn by a soldier who was guarding our borders, and that is why it is not just a piece of cloth, but it's a piece of history actually. Join everyone. We at Vardi Store collect the gold defense uniforms and upcycle them into products like bags, caps, and jackets. Vardi India का सबसे पहला इनिशिएटिव है जो डिफेंस यूनिफॉर्म्स को सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स में कन्वर्ट करता है, and hence my ask is of 2 crores for 10%. जो आपने पहना है इसको वर्दी? Yes sir. What is the price of what you wear? So this is about 159, 2,000 rupees. Yeah. जो कलर बहुत नोबल है. I think बहुत एक यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. Don't you think so guys? Great mission. I'd love to meet you in the group. So let's talk. Definitely. मैं इस particular entrepreneurship में viability, profitability वो secondary है. तो primary जो thought है आपका वो outstanding. I'm sold at your entry left off business. Yes. Left off business.
I want to talk business.
Thank you. Go to the bottom. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Come here, man. This is one of the best sort of ideas I've seen in such a long time. Thank you so much. Vardi is a very good brand, but उसका मैंने भी ब्रांड को समझा है. फंडिंग तो नहीं मिलेगा मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि अभी जितना उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट बेस दिखाया है अभी फर्स्ट में पसंद आ रहा है, बट मुझे लगता है इससे एक टाइम इसमें उनको और दिखाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट में बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन तो नहीं होगा, पर हाँ इसको लेकर रेंज है फिर उसको फोटो और ये आज भी बड़ी है. Congratulations.